Hello guys, we have got Stella today. Hello Stella, you okay? It's her second lesson today, and today we are learning a bit of mixture really. So we're learning major road to the side road, and we're doing the T-junctions, isn't it? Yeah. We're doing the right turning in the T-junction, and if we get time we will do the left turning in the T-junctions as well. Stella is doing very well, and her steering control getting better, her observation skills getting better as well. So I hope let's join our journey with Stella and see if we can do improve your lessons as well and Stella's as well. All right, so whenever you're ready, Stella, let's drive off please for me.
Okay.
Yeah, so press the brake and then go to the drive. So this is called prepare, so prepare yourself. And now do your observation. So check your mirrors and signal the left shoulder, the right shoulder. No, the shoulder check is proper like this. Make sure you turn. That's it. Good. Okay. So make sure you check that. Good. Anyone coming?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a car coming. So we're gonna stay here for, because we have got a pause now. When that car is turning now. So when that car turn, or before you go, what you should do again, the last safety check. Just your shoulder check again. Look at your right shoulder check again, and then if nobody's coming in, you can go then. Okay. That's it. Good. And now start looking ahead. That's it, well done. So there's a bend coming up. So on the bend, do we keep our positioning to the center white line, or should we follow the left curve?
The left curve.
Left curve, okay. So let's follow the left curve please for me as well. But again, position to the left. Now looking ahead, what hazard is there?
The parking car and the
and there's a car coming. So start slowing down. Yeah. And is a meeting, do we have to stop? You think the car should have gone by now? It's gone. Yes, so change of direction. That's it, well done. Give yourself how much space on the parked cars?
1 meter.
And when you're going back, center in the left mirror and start looking ahead. Good. And now we're going to be turning right from the major road to the side road. Imagine there's a car coming. Okay, I want you to stop the car. So check the center and the right mirror, signal to the right, position. Imagine those cars have now gone. So before you go, look inside the road as well. Is it safe over there?
Yes.
Good. And if it's safe, anybody from the behind, nobody overtaking you, so follow the left curb. Yes. So push and pull method. Well done, excellent work. And then fast steering back, check all the mirrors quickly, and then gradually build up a speed and positioning near to the left curb. Well done, good. You're doing good, Stella, well done. Now is a T-junction coming up, it's a closed view, it may become open. We're turning right, check your center and the right mirror, signal to the right, start slowing down. Your positioning is very good. That's it. As you're approaching, looking your right, left, your imminent dangers from your right. Anyone coming?
No.
Left, right. No. If nobody's coming, go forward, because we don't want to cut the corner, do we? And start. That's it. But look the road you're turning into. There's a car coming. So keep your foot on the foot brake. And here, one car's length. Completely stop. There's a meeting situation. And once this goes, look at your center and the right mirror. And how much clearance you have to give me now? A meter. If nobody's coming, that's it. Only 1 meter is about a door's length.
Yes.
Perfect. Good. Now we're going to park our car over there, please. So what we should do now? Mirrors, signal, positioning. Start slowing down. Use your left. Secure your car. Cancel your signal. Take your feet off. Take a deep breath.
Deep breath.
Good. Well done. So let's do this again. So let's drive off whenever you are ready, please.
Okay. We'll do as you say. So putting my feet on the brake. Drive. Yeah. Checking my mirrors.
Good.
Silent to the right.
Good.
Checking.
Excellent work. There you go. You see? Well done. And start looking. It's quite far away. That's it. Start looking. Well done. That was very good. You can also, when you're driving, if you're going there, tell yourself, keep my car to the left or the left curb. It will engage you on that road as well. So like for that's it. You see what I mean? Yeah. Positioning.
Okay. The only hazard is the parking car.
Okay, good.
I'm just going to.
It's called change of direction. That's it. Good. Well done. So just control your steering a little bit. That's it. So I would like you to turn next right, please, Stella. Next right. Major road to the side road. That's it. Good. So mirror signal is done. Positioning is good. Where's your foot should go to? What about brake? S? Slowing down. Is a car coming? So slowing down. Be prepared to stop if there's a car coming, and look inside the road. Is it safe?
Yes.
Yeah. So fast steering. Looking the road you're turning into. Gentle speed. Fast steering back. And before we speed up, quickly check your mirrors and now push your speed quickly. So at the end of this road is a T-junction coming up. I would like you to turn right. Go and talk to yourself what you're going to be doing now.
So
MSPSL. So what you, yeah. Signal, yeah. Positioning. But that black line should be where? Near to that corner of that curb, isn't it? Yeah. That pillar. That's it. Good.
Let it stop. Leaning forward.
Okay.
I will just scroll.
Yeah.
Just continue.
Yeah, because there's no car, so we don't want to cut the corner. But as you're turning, you should be looking where? That road that you're turning into, because you're going into that road, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
And now steering back, check your mirrors and build up your speed.
A little bit more.
That's it. Good.
Right up there.
That's it. Good. So for the left curb, bit more to the left, Stella, bit more to the left. That's better. So remember the reference point I give it to you, isn't it? Yeah, for your driving. So use that reference point. So keep going. So now we're going up on the hill. So what car is demanding you? So what should we do now, the car, to pick up the speed? What do you think we should do?
Yeah, pull a little bit more.
Accelerate more gas. That's or more speed. That's it. So, but before we should have done what we should have done before that. Check all the mirrors and then push your speed. Because when you're speeding, what if somebody else also overtaking you?
Yes.
So keep accelerating a bit more. So look at the body behavior. Are they stopping for you?
Yes.
Yes, they are. So they are doing meetings. That means they're giving you the space over there. Can you see that?
Yes.
So keep going, but think about maybe less space, less speed. About 15. Keep going. Bit more to the left over there. That's it. And 1 meter space. That's it. Good. Now we have got another T-junction coming up. Road marking is not very good. Keep to the left. Now we're going to be turning right. We're approaching. Remember, MSPS slowing down and looking to the right. You first left and then right. Anyone coming?
Yes.
There's a car coming from the left. Always remember your imminent dangers from your right. So right, left, and then right. If they stop, then you can go. So for the left curb over there, and then more steering. That's it. Fast steering back. Check your mirrors and push your speed ahead. And start looking ahead now. That's it. And then, so we are following this bend. It's a sharp bend. So make sure if you're losing control, don't be afraid to use your brakes, please, okay? And after the bend is a T-junction coming, and we're going to be turning right to the T-junction. Can you see that? Look at your right first, then left. Anyone coming?
Nope.
But this time I want to tell you something. Look ahead. What's happening ahead?
There is car park.
Cars park. So what that means, we have to cut into the corner. We have to go into their lane, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
So before you go, is much more dangerous. You have to make sure that nobody's coming. But look on the right. There's one more hazard there. There's a bend over there.
Yes.
So that means you don't even know who's coming. It's not long. So always before you go, make 100% decision. Nobody's coming. Okay. So nobody's coming to the right. The
So
left
yes,
is giving you the way, and then go to the right. Check it right, and then go now. That's it.
Yes.
And look over there. You have to cut the corner. That's it. Gentle speed.
On the curve.
That's a very more positioning. Use your reference point. I give it to you. That's very good. Well done. You just need to, what you're doing, you're doing too much steering. You just need one gentle push, and that will be more than enough for you. That's sometimes, that's more than enough sometimes. There you go. Make sense? Good. Well done. Only 1 meter, only one door. That's it. And now we're going to speed up. Before we speed up, check your mirrors quickly and push your speed to 25 miles per hour, please, for me.
Okay, we got one hazard.
Yeah, that's fine. Anyone coming towards you?
No.
Anyone overtaking you?
No.
That's it. Good, excellent work. So we're going to be turning right at the end of this road. What we should do?
Mirrors. Signal.
What about the positioning?
Position. And then slow.
Yeah, so using your brakes.
Using the brake.
You can say brace if you wish to.
Yes, brakes. And okay. There's and okay.
It's his road, so he's gonna go around it. He's
So-
not giving you the ways in a year.
Yes.
Also, look at that van as well. He might pull out on you. Look at the speed of the white car. Would you risk it?
Nope.
No. Always see how fast they're coming or how slow they're coming. that van driver may pull out on you, is giving you the way. So go on then. There I say good.
Yes, okay. So there is no car.
Yeah, so look over there. Excellent work. So you're not cutting the corner. That's it. Check all the mirrors quickly and then build up a speed. Gentle. Because you don't want to hit the curb either, isn't it? Yeah. So when you're driving, just maintain about half a meter from the curb. I did the reference I told you. So we're gonna be turning next left, please.
Okay. So mirror, signal,
Okay.
position, it's slowing brakes. All that combo.
And L means looking inside the road you're turning into as well. Okay. Your speed will get faster as you do more and more lessons. But right now, just think about what you're doing. Good.
Okay,
Leaning your body forward so you have a better view. If nobody's coming, then build up a speed. Well done. Good. And what you should do now quickly,
check mirrors.
and then just carry on driving. That's it. Good. So at the end of this road, I would like you to turn left. I'm giving you you're getting a bit too close. Look, you're not giving a meter.
Yes.
So meeting situation developing. So we have to give how much space from the black car?
1 meter.
No, 1 car's length.
1 car length.
1 meter is from the side. And now check your, that's it.
Okay.
1 meter from the side is 1 car's length. So give yourself 1 meter about a door's length, and then we're turning left at the end of this road.
Mirrors.
Yeah.
signal,
Keep, no, you need, when you're going down the hill, use your brakes.
brakes.
So positioning,
Position.
and then glancing, looking into the road. You're turning right and left. Anyone coming?
Nope.
Nope. So follow this curve. That's it. Okay, guys, that's our second lesson finished with Stella. So what did you learn today, Stella?
I learned that the brakes are my best friends. That everyone, all the elements in the car are my best
Good.
friends. The junctions.
T-junctions, yeah.
And what to do before turning left, turning right, which is mirrors, signal, position, slow. This
Speed,
was
yes.
speed,
And then looking as well. Good.
looking.
Good. So we didn't go a lot today, guys. So next lesson, if you're going to follow us, we're going to be doing some videos. So we're going to be doing some roundabouts. Hopefully it will be some mini roundabouts and the major roundabout. So we have got a big loop in our area. So it will be big lesson for Stella. It's only going to be third lesson. Obviously it's all depend on how she is doing. I mean, her steering control is getting better. So I will do an assessment first. If I find it everything good, we will go to the main road. She will be going to be slow a little bit, but as we all know, your speed will get better as you do more and more lessons. So it will gonna get better as well. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'm gonna stop the seat and then I will take you for a go. I will see you guys on the next lesson then.